KitchenAid Mixer Artisan Series 5-quart stand mixer. This product review is Amazon Associate. Commissions earned. You find the Amazon link to the product in the video description. If you want to see more reviews like this, remember to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Feel free to like and comment. Here's a complete product analysis of the KitchenAid Mixer Artisan Series 5-quart stand mixer, evaluating its features, performance, ease of use, and value for money. Overview. Model, KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-quart stand mixer. Type, tilt head stand mixer. Motor power, 325 watts. Capacity, 5 quarts. Speed settings, 10 variable speeds. Included attachments, flat beater, wire whip, dough hook, pouring shield. Design, retro style, available in over 20 colors. Weight, approximately 22 kg. Warranty, 1 year limited, USA. Features, 220 watt motor. Delivers ample power for most home baking tasks, including kneading dough and whipping cream. 5-quart stainless steel bowl. Large enough to mix 9 dozen cookies, 4 loaves of bread, or 7 pounds of mashed potatoes. 10 speed control. Offers flexibility from a gentle stir to high-speed whipping. Tilt head design. Allows easy access to the bowl and attachments, though it requires vertical clearance. Planetary mixing action. Ensures thorough ingredient incorporation with 59 touch points per bowl rotation. Attachment hub. Compatible with 10+ optional accessories like a pasta roller, food grinder, or spiralizer. Build quality. All metal construction for stability and durability, with a polished finish. Performance. Whipping cream, egg whites. Achieves stiff peaks quickly and consistently with the wire whip. Cookie and cake batters. Delivers even mixing with minimal need to scrape the sides of the bowl. Bread dough. Handles 2 to 3 loaves of bread easily. May struggle with very stiff or whole grain doughs if near capacity. Heavy-duty mixing. Can heat up with extended use at high speeds. Lacks overload protection but handles most home needs reliably. Durability. Known for long lifespan, many users report over 10 years of performance with regular use. Ease of use. Setup. Simple and quick. Attachments slide and lock into place easily. Controls. Manual speed lever is intuitive and responsive. Cleaning. Bowl and attachments are dishwasher safe. The mixer body cleans easily with a damp cloth. Storage. Bulky and heavy, best kept on the countertop. Not ideal for small kitchens with limited space. Noise. Moderate, quieter than some competitors but louder at higher speeds. Value for money. Price range $379 to $449, varies by color and retailer. Included accessories, flat beater, dough hook, wire whip, pouring shield. Strengths. Premium build-in design. Highly versatile with optional attachments. Long-lasting and dependable performance. Strong resale value. Weaknesses. Premium price point. Not suited for ultra-heavy or commercial-scale baking. Despite its higher price, the Artisan Series offers excellent long-term value due to its performance, durability, and flexibility. Final verdict. The KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-quart stand mixer stands out as a top choice for home bakers seeking a balance of style, power, and reliability. Its versatility and iconic design make it a staple in modern kitchens, and the large ecosystem of accessories enhances its usefulness far beyond just baking. Best for frequent home bakers, cookie and cake enthusiasts, cooks interested in expanding to pasta making, food grinding, etc. Not ideal for very small kitchens with limited counter space. Professional bakers needing industrial capacity. Occasional users who want a budget-friendly option.